So if it is a PNP transistor, first we will draw what? This diagram we will draw. Correct?
Yeah.
Not topmost thing. So it is done.
Yeah.
Yes. Suppose if it is
Sir,
common base.
in this like transistor, sir, it has 3 regions, right?
Emitter. Wait. Let me complete first. Okay. If it is a common base configuration, which is grounded here?
Base.
Very good. Now common emitter configuration, which is grounded here?
Emitter.
Collector configuration is grounded. Collector configuration which is grounded. Collector, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Collector is grounded, yeah.
Grounded. Very good.
Yeah.
Now coming to this, if it is a common base.
But in the first diagram.
Wait. If it is a common base configuration, what is my current amplification factor? Alpha is equal to. Do not write this base. Do not write this base. IC by IE. If it is common emitter, do not write emitter. It is IC by IB. If it is collector, do not write collector. It is IE by IB. So like this, we have to remember things.
Okay.
Correct. And did I teach you about alpha and beta relationship?
Yeah, sir. Alpha is equal to beta divided by 1 minus beta.
Yes.
Yeah.
And suppose gamma is there, you have to just put gamma is equal to beta plus 1. What is gamma?
Gamma equal
beta
to
plus 1.
Beta
plus 1. Okay. Or remove this alpha. Remove this alpha. It will become what? Gamma. That is one of the easy way to remember things. Wait, I'll show you that also. Clear now? If I put alpha here, it will become what?
Beta.
That's it.
Yeah.
You got the point. Now, suppose. For example, that's it. That's very easy in this. Suppose one more thing for your confidence thing, I'll just tell you. Okay. How we are getting this 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta is equal to what? You cross multiply these things. You'll get what?
Yeah.
Beta minus
alpha.
Beta is equal to alpha. Right? Correct.
Yeah.
Now beta minus alpha is equal to what? Alpha beta. This alpha will come this side.
Yeah. Correct.
Now divide everything by alpha beta.
Oh.
You get what? 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta is equal to 1. Correct or not?
Correct.
Is it easy or difficult?
Easy.
Now can you fill the pages of 3 pages or 4 pages?
Yes, sir.
So you're the future what? Story writer in movies.
Yeah.
You got the point now?
Yes, sir.
That is only engineering.
Okay.
Now are you confident?
Yeah.
Okay. What was why earlier you were not confident? What happened? Suddenly worried, huh? Suddenly worried.
Yeah, sir.
Now the worrying is gone.
Yeah.
Now there are more pages to write.
Yeah. No more pages.
I will tell you one more thing. For example, for the the CE is there, no? CE is widely used. CE is widely used to think. For example, our radio frequency is there. Our radio transistor, no, correct?
Yeah.
That not we use CE. Then you have to talk about what? Current gain and voltage gain. Current gain and
voltage gain.
What is this current gain? What is this voltage gain? I'll tell you. Okay, what is gain?
Alpha. AV.
Gain is A.
Yeah.
Voltage gain is
AV.
Very good. What is voltage gain formula? Output voltage.
Input.
Very good. If it's current gain, output current by input current.
Input current.
Difficult. This is nothing but V naught by Vi.
Yes, sir.
Can't we write these things in any transistor?
Yeah.
Whether it is applicable for all transistor.
Yeah.
Whether it is EB, CE or CC, can't we do that thing?
Can.
Clear? Then coming to the output characteristics. That also I told you. Each output characteristics, what it is.
Graph.
I told you one shortcut in that also. Draw this thing, put a line here. Put one more line. Join these lines. That's it. Up to this saturation region, Up to which one? This one, saturation region. Up to this active region. Correct? And this is our voltage versus current characteristics. This is output characteristics. Easy or difficult? Now.
Easy.
Now are you confident?
Yeah.
So in engineering, if you are able to understand concepts, you need not study anything. The best preparation is no preparation. That's all.
Yeah.
So electronics especially do not read anything. Make your own stories and write. We know English, right? You're speaking good. More than enough. More than enough to clear engineering. You got the point?
Yes, sir.
Diagram, first importance. Then only other things.
Only diagram if you practice and study enough, no, sir.
Already you know the concepts. Diagrams and derivations.
Diagrams and derivations. Yeah.
We have to fill the pages. Fill the pages. 7 mark thing in the sense, fill 3 to 4 pages. Okay. But write technical words. Don't write bakwas. Yeah. You got the point. Yeah. Technical words you have to write. So that your teacher correcting the paper should know that you're technically sound for that purpose. Clear? Now let me come.
Then in this chapter, that amplification and all is there, no, sir?
Yeah, welcome. See this thing?
Yeah.
This table which I already sent to you.
Yeah.
This you have to study. And here, voltage gain, everything you can write what high. What is voltage gain? High. High. We cannot write numbers or anything.
Okay.
Correct? See, I told you what? Radio frequency. It is about audio frequency circuits. Clear? Impedance in the sense, what is impedance? Z. Resistance plus inductor plus capacitor. There is R plus XL minus XC the whole square. Correct?
Yes, yeah, sir.
But I am not representing that. I am just putting R plus XL plus XC. Just to know what is impedance.
Okay.
Yes. Current gain, voltage gain. That's it. Phase shift. This is only rotated 180 degree only it can rotate. But others are all 360 degree rotation. Clear or not? So these things you have to study.
Yeah.
So if they ask you about breakdown in transistor, or if they ask you avalanche breakdown, what we should write?
About same thing which was there in Zener diode.
What was in Zener diode?
Zener diode is like when the voltage is so high.
Reverse biasing.
Yeah, reverse biasing.
That is a keyword here.
Yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yes. That is a keyword in this reverse biasing thing. So that same thing is there that you have to write down. Clear?
Yeah. Sir, that means a transistor when it is in cutoff region, then it will be having a breakdown.
Cutoff region in the sense transistor doesn't function at all.
Okay, it is off.
It's off. You got see. This is something. Breakdown is something which happens inevitably. You got the point. Correct.
Okay.
Breakdown. Correct. You understood the thing, right?
Yeah.
Real life breakdown can happen to anyone.
Yeah.
Is it something which you expect? No, right?
No.
So that is not some of the regions in a transistor.
Okay.
Everything is founded by human only. Correct? So obviously these things will be what real world thing.
Yeah.
That's all. So relate everything with the real world.
Yeah.
To memorize, correct, and to connect with things.
Okay.
We have to connect each and everything. Then only we will be able to remember. Or else what we should do? We should just follow what we did in the 12th standard. What is it? Study. Forget. That's it.
Okay.
Study and forget. Okay. But connect and study, then it's peaceful. Because teaching these things will take a lot of experience to verify. In a nutshell, let me see. So all the graphs you have to study, Adi, in this. Okay, fine. Base configuration, which will be grounded? Base will be grounded. Correct.
Yeah.
You need not draw the same diagram. You can draw this diagram itself. You got the point.
Yeah.
You need not draw this big one. Clear or not?
Yes. Yeah.
Clear. Draw the normal one, because this one no one will remember.
Yeah.
Who will remember this thing? No one will remember. Do that thing. Understand that common base, what is grounded, base is grounded. Common emitter, what is grounded, emitter is grounded. Common collector, what is grounded, collector is grounded. That's it. That's how we learn a diagrams. That's it. You got the point. Yeah. And right, as you said in the first, right, point by point. And the cutoff region, saturation region, everything is same for everything.
Yeah.
That won't change at all. Then with this table, you should draw. This is a must draw table.
Okay.
Here, and I told you what to do. So this you'll have doubt about 150 to 500 and all. Just write high here.
High.
Everything is high. Okay, you can just take a screenshot of this. Everything is high. This table is mandatory. This will show the teacher that you are very good in electronics. Clear?